So we're back here at the University of Central Lancashire in Preston in the Engineering Innovation Centre. Last time you saw us we were installing the Meltio system. So we've now got our Meltio 3D print head alongside this Haas VF2 SS vertical milling centre, and we're laying down additively beads of metal. So that could be anything from a stainless steel right up through to titaniums, Inconels and various different alloys. And then we're using Fusion 360 to keep that as a hybrid process. So we're going to lay down the material and then cut back to shape the piece that we want. So we've got a few examples. We've started with a very basic cube. We've produced this additive layer at the bottom, and then we've taken away around 2mm to give us this solid metal part. Parts that we're producing have very low porosity and very low contamination, and we're now starting to work with different geometries onto different substrates. So we've got some mild steel bar stock that we've printed this stainless steel pyramid shape onto, and then machined a flat top back into that. Next stage for us is to start introducing the dual wire feature. So we've got 2 wires within the print head, so we're going to start to look at the combinations of different metals, maybe some Inconel for strength and copper for thermal conductivity, and build these 2 parts together so that we can machine a combination of metals that we could not produce from a billet. Stay tuned next time and we'll come and show you the results.